lovely Parkside location. This property gives entry to a highly desirable location and will provide the space kids need to play and grow. The home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And it features dedicated parking for 2 vehicles. The kitchen offers many wonderful qualities. This home offers a large block size with side access. And it has a stylish alfresco entertaining space. It comes with large spaces for family living, as well as modern, well-appointed fittings. Add to that a swimming pool with all the extras. Looking for the ultimate home for your family? Your opportunity to be close to everything important. Don't lose advantage. Contact the agent right now.